Let's learn some vocabulary related to sea life. Let's take a look at some words that you already know because you already know one part of the word. Seahorse, sea lion, and sea turtle. And now some words with fish. Starfish and jellyfish. And now other words. Shark, crab, octopus, dolphin, shrimp, squid, and seal. Which of these animals have you already seen in real life? Tell us in the comments, we want to know. Don't forget to take your free assessment test through the link that is in our bio to know your English level. See you soon.